Alright guys, we're on to our next video, second one today, for FIFA 13 pack opening, Road to Team of the Year player. Got 850 FIFA points left, let's open our first pack. And once again, we got crap off EA. Thank you, EA. Let's discard that pack. Let's go on to the next one. So our next pack, and we get Rodriguez, very good player. Well, doesn't go for anything on Ultimate Team, so it's not going to do me any good. Kieran Gibbs. Oh my god. What are you doing now, EA? Just sign me out by the Ultimate Team now. We're back in, so it's alright. Let's just store that to the club. Oh, for God's sake. Let's discard that pack. Let's go on to our next pack now. Yeah, let's discard that pack. Joel to Messi, please, 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 just give me a Team of the Year player or in form. Oh, what another little crap pack that. So, once again, I've got no one good. And just tops it off with the last pack, Adriano. So there we have it. £52 on marks or points, and I didn't even get anyone good. In the next video, I'm going to show you who I've got the best players I've got in my packs. Thank you for watching.